Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about hobbies.
Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sophia.
Hi Ryan.
It is great to talk with you today.
It is great to be here.
What do you usually do when you have free time?
I enjoy making art and spending quiet time at home.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. It helps me forget about stress.
How did you become interested in art?
A friend invited me to a small art class.
Really?
Yes. I was nervous at first, but I enjoyed it.
What did you create in your first class?
A simple picture of a flower.
Was it difficult?
A little, but it was fun.
That is what matters.
Exactly.
I like spending time with books.
What kind of stories do you enjoy?
I like stories about adventures and travel.
Do they make you want to visit new places?
Yes, they do.
That sounds exciting.
Sometimes I learn interesting facts too.
So it is fun and educational.
Exactly.
How much time do you spend with a book each week?
Usually a few hours.
That is a good amount of time.
I think so.
Do you prefer reading in the morning or at night?
Mostly at night.
Why?
Because everything is quiet.
I understand.
What about you? When do you work on your art projects?
Usually on Saturday afternoons.
Do you listen to music while you work?
Sometimes, soft music helps me focus.
That sounds nice.
It creates a peaceful atmosphere.
Have you ever shown your work to other people?
Yes, I showed some pictures to my family.
What did they say?
They were very supportive.
That must have felt good.
It did.
Encouragement is important.
I agree.
Do you think everyone should have an activity they enjoy?
Yes, it helps people relax and feel happy.
I completely agree.
Life can be busy.
Very busy sometimes.
That is why free time activities are important.
They give us balance.
Exactly.
Let's talk about other popular activities.
Great idea.
Many people enjoy cooking.
Yes, they can learn new recipes.
And eat delicious food.
That is a nice bonus.
Some people enjoy gardening.
I would like to try that one day.
What do you like about it?
I like being close to nature.
That makes sense.
Growing plants looks rewarding.
It does.
What activity would you like to learn in the future?
I would like to take photographs.
Interesting.
I enjoy capturing beautiful moments.
What would you photograph first?
Probably parks and city streets.
Those can be beautiful subjects.
Yes, especially during sunset.
I love sunsets.
Me too.
They are colorful and peaceful.
Let's share a small story.
Sure.
Last month, I finished a long story.
How did you feel?
Very happy and proud.
Why proud?
Because it was a difficult book.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Last month, I completed a picture of a mountain.
How long did it take?
About 2 weeks.
Wow.
I worked on it a little each day.
Patience is important.
Very important. Listeners, what do you enjoy doing in your free time? Please write your answer in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Everyone has different interests.
And that makes life interesting.
Absolutely. Now, let's learn some useful English.
Great idea.
The word activity is very useful. An activity is something you do. Example, walking is my favorite activity.
Very good.
Another useful word is relax. Relax means to become calm. Example, I listen to music to relax.
Many people use that sentence.
Another word is creative. Creative means making something new. Example, she is a creative person.
Excellent. Let's look at grammar.
Okay,
We can say, I enjoy music.
that is present tense.
It talks about something we like now.
Correct.
We can also say, I enjoyed the concert.
That is past tense.
Very good.
Enjoy becomes enjoyed.
That is a regular verb.
Exactly.
Now, let's look at an irregular verb.
Good idea.
We say, I read every evening.
And yesterday I read for 2 hours.
The spelling stays the same.
But the pronunciation changes.
Excellent explanation.
Thank you.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Okay.
Creative,
Creative.
relax,
Relax.
activity.
Activity.
Very good.
Practice helps us improve.
That is true.
What is the best thing about having interests outside of work or school?
They help us enjoy our lives more.
I agree.
They also help us learn new skills.
And sometimes make new friends.
That is another great benefit.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting the channel.
Before we finish, let's review.
Today, we talked about activities people enjoy in their free time.
We shared personal experiences,
We learned useful vocabulary.
activity, relax, and creative,
We also reviewed grammar.
present tense and past tense.
And we practiced pronunciation.
Yes, we did.
One final question for our listeners.
What new activity would you like to try in the future?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We look forward to reading your answers.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.